Ever wondered how garments get that incredibly soft, smooth, and premium feel? The secret often starts with a silicone wash. Silicone washing is a specialized finishing process used to improve garment softness, smoothness, drape, and overall wearing comfort. Unlike ordinary washing, this process focuses strongly on the fabric's final hand feel and surface characteristics. First, garments are carefully sorted according to fabric type, color, construction, and the required finishing effect.
The batch is then weighed because chemical quantities are normally calculated according to the garment weight. Next, the garments are loaded into an industrial washing machine with enough space for proper movement.
Machine settings such as water level, temperature, drum movement, and processing time are carefully controlled. The first step is usually a controlled wetting or preparation stage to ensure the garments are evenly saturated. Now comes the key ingredient, a silicone-based softening agent selected according to the desired garment finish.
The silicone product is prepared at the required concentration before being introduced into the washing process.
As the drum rotates, the silicone solution spreads across the garment surfaces, helping create a smoother and softer hand feel. At the fiber level, silicone treatment reduces surface friction, making the fabric feel noticeably smoother against the skin. Controlled mechanical movement is important because excessive action can damage fabric or create unwanted appearance changes. Time and temperature must also be controlled carefully to achieve consistent softness throughout the entire production batch. After the treatment reaches its target condition, the machine drains the process liquor before the next finishing stage. The garments are then extracted to remove excess moisture while maintaining their newly developed soft handle. Depending on the production recipe, the garments may now move into drying to develop and stabilize the desired finish. Controlled drying helps remove remaining moisture while allowing the softener effect to develop across the garment. Once dry, the difference becomes clear. The fabric feels softer, smoother, and often has a more luxurious drape. Quality inspectors check softness, appearance, color, dimensional stability, and the overall hand feel of the finished garments. Samples may also be tested to ensure the finishing effect meets the customer's approved quality standard. After approval, garments continue to pressing, folding, packing, and final inspection before shipment. So, from rough fabric to a soft, premium finish, silicone washing can make a remarkable difference in garment quality and comfort. That's the silicone wash process in the garment industry. If you enjoyed this factory journey, subscribe for more manufacturing secrets.